What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I actually have the 4th gen back here. This is my 2017 Ram 3500. As many of you know, I do hot shot, and my first truck was a 3rd gen 2006 Ram 3500. I didn't leave a video up here. I did make a video on that truck as well, but today we're going to be talking about the 4th gen, just because I know a lot of my viewers are pretty much hot shot guys and guys that want to get into hot shotting. So if you're looking into a 4th gen or a 5th gen, pretty much the same motor, 6.7 Cummins, I'm gonna go ahead and help you guys out. Let's get to the rice and beans of this truck and what I would recommend. So if you're gonna be hauling a lot of weight, this right here is what's gonna help you out. This truck is equipped with a 6.7 turbo diesel Cummins engine. It is a 6-cylinder, puts out great power. I wish I could delete this truck. Only downfall that I can tell you about this truck is that it comes with DEF, and as many of us car haulers or hot shot drivers know, DEF is not really on our side because it's just for emissions, and it's something that the government wants you to do. You know, pretty much that's why they put them on the trucks. But you can get them deleted. From what I've done research, in my area, you're looking around $5,000–6,000 just to delete the DEF system, because it's a full exhaust system, and then you got to get it tuned and all that. So that's something to think about if you're going to go ahead and get a 4th, 5th gen truck, because if you go with a 5.9 Cummins, they don't have DEF. You know, anything like a 12 valve or older trucks don't bring DEF, and that's a plus side on why you would get an older truck. But today we're talking about the 4th gen. If you guys have any questions that I'm not touching base on, leave them in the comment section below. I would like to answer your questions as much as possible. And also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. It is blessedj__. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it somewhere in the subtitles right here. Another thing that this truck has is that it does bring the ASIN transmission, the ASIN heavy duty transmission. If you're gonna be hauling heavy things, I would definitely recommend that transmission, just because, as you guys know, Ram isn't really known for their transmissions. Their transmissions are pretty crap. If you ask any Ram owner or any Ford owner, any truck guy, they're gonna tell you that the Ram's weakest link is gonna be their transmissions. But that's only if you choose the base model transmission, because the base model transmission, it's not gonna last you. You're probably gonna have to go ahead and rebuild it if you're hauling all the freaking time, like us hot shots. That's why you see a lot of Rams on the side of the road, because of their transmissions. Their motors are strong. Like, them Cummins ain't gonna die for a minute. For a while, they're not gonna die, but their transmissions will go out pretty easy. But if you go with the ASIN transmission, that is a heavy duty transmission, that's probably the best automatic transmission that you can get with this, with the Ram. Apart from that, you can go with a G56 6-speed transmission. That's absolutely wonderful as well, but then you'll have to start, you know, you'll have to be pressing the clutch all the time, and I don't know, for some drivers, they don't like to do that. They just want to go ahead and do the easy route, and that's automatic. But I mean, personally, me, I love a G56. I have it on my 3rd gen, and I wouldn't trade that truck for the world. Freaking birds in there, man. If you guys are going to be towing with this truck, one thing I will recommend is not getting a MEGACAB, and here's exactly why. So as you guys can see, this truck is a MEGACAB. It's I'm not sure what the dimensions are to a normal one. I think it's like an extra foot or maybe less, maybe like 6 inches or something. But anyways, as you guys can see, I actually had to modify the trailer to actually clear the MEGACAB. You guys can see where I freaking screwed it up. A tire actually hit right here when I was turning. The tire was actually hanging out just about 2 inches from the trailer, and it just grazed it and rubbed it and then dented this right in. So something like that doesn't happen to you guys, I would definitely recommend going ahead and just eliminating the MEGACAB idea if you're going to use it for hauling all the time. I know that you can probably go with a gooseneck and it'll minimize that, but at the same time, with the gooseneck, you're still going to be cut on your turning radius. Not as much as this trailer, obviously, because the trailer's at the top, but it's still going to minimize your turning radius. And if you're always on the road hauling, I would definitely not recommend that. Just get a normal cab. I wish I did. really didn't think about that whenever I was purchasing it. That's my fault, but you live and you learn, right? I should have done a little bit more research, and this is exactly why I'm making this content for you guys, so you guys can do your research. I hope you guys are watching this, and don't make the same mistakes I made. Look, we're actually picking up. So you guys can see it's a Ram 1500, and it is pretty screwed up, so I think we're gonna have to do it backwards. God dang, this thing is in shambles. Oh my god, it looks like he hit a tree or something. Still got wood right there. Wow. I hope the person that was in this vehicle was just all right. Alright, so we got this sucker loaded up. Make sure that hood is strapped. This fender's not gonna be flying out. The only thing that catches my eyes is wheel coming off the trailer a little bit, but it's not gonna fall off. This is attached right here at this knuckle. It's all broken, but it's still attached. Now we are out of here. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys. You guys know exactly when I post. Let's get it. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. We've been growing significantly, slowly but significantly. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the support you guys been giving me, all the feedback. Feedback matters a lot to me, guys. Go ahead and leave a comment in the section below. Let me know what you guys think. Let's go ahead and get back on the road, drop this off, and I'm gonna pick you guys right back up. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, like I said, we got this thing loaded up. But back to what I was saying with the truck. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. It is a very great truck. I'm not gonna say it's not. 6.7 with the ACE transmission, perfect combo. If you go with a base model transmission, I would not recommend it. I just heard so many bad stories from it. It's kind of crazy. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below anyways on that transmission. I'm gonna be hauling a lot of heavy stuff. I mean, right now I'm just hauling one vehicle, but when this trailer is loaded up with 3 vehicles, you're gonna want this. It'll help you ride way smoother. And I am talking about the airbags. So this truck actually comes equipped with airbags from the factory. That is pretty much an option that you can ask for. Some trucks don't bring it. No biggie. It's really no biggie. I mean, you can still haul with it. It'll haul great. It does make your ride a lot more comfortable, and it levels out the truck in the rear whenever you have a lot of weight on the trailer. And I'm telling you from experience, because my 3rd gen has no bags, and it squats whenever I load it up. That's that. If I didn't cover any of your questions on if you should get a 4th gen tow rig, let me know in the comment section below. Obviously, like I said before, I want to answer all your questions. I can always make a second video, a second part to this. No biggie. But let's go ahead and drop this off. We gotta go drop this vehicle off, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. All right guys, so this is actually where I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post. Let's get it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.